All right, so let's talk about the untapped platform, the platform that is underutilized by so many real estate agents, but is so lucrative to generate seller leads. And yes, I am talking about YouTube ads. So we're going to cover why YouTube ads, how YouTube ads work, creating your YouTube channel, creating your Google Ads account. So why YouTube advertising? Because there are no restrictions like with Facebook. Okay, on Facebook, you have to have a minimum 25 kilometer, and also you cannot target by age groups. You have to target basically everyone in the targeting. Okay, I'm not saying Facebook ads don't work, don't get me wrong. A lot of our case studies come from Facebook ads alone without the power of YouTube ads that we're going to cover today. But with that being said, though, you can be really more precise, okay, with YouTube ads. Now, there's also less competition. Like I said, every agent are on Facebook ads, but none of them are actually utilizing YouTube ads. And YouTube ads is the Facebook of like 5-10 years ago, okay? It is the way to go basically right now. And if you can capitalize on that opportunity, you're gonna reap the rewards. Now, YouTube is owned by Google, okay? So we can target people who are homeowners actively looking to move and buy a new property. And we used to do that before with Facebook ads, but now they removed it, okay? But now we can still do it with YouTube ads. So higher CPL, so higher cost per lead. Basically, you're gonna get also a higher level of intent, okay? So there's more friction since you no longer use a form like with Facebook. If you guys already ran some Facebook ads in the past, on Facebook, basically it's just a lead form that is integrated with Facebook ads. The information of the lead are already pre-filled. Now it's possible to do this with YouTube ads if you've spent over $50,000 in your Google Ads account, but it's not realistic for most of us. Until that point, basically, we're gonna use a landing page, okay, with your own domain name. So there's more friction because the information of the leads have to be entered by the lead manually. But with that being said, when there is more friction, there's also more intent, which means the leads are better quality. So how YouTube ads work, essentially, it's a video of, 1 minute, 2 minutes max, could be like 45 seconds as well, that will play before the video that the person is watching on YouTube. Whether that be anything, whether that be the person is watching a cooking show on YouTube, whether that be they are listening to music when they are working out, whatever it is on YouTube, your video is going to show up before that, okay? Now, the process of the YouTube ads are, first of all, a YouTube ad, right? They click on it and then they'll land on what we call an opt-in page, okay? The opt-in page is where they can opt in, where they can give their contact details, name, email, phone number, okay? And then afterwards, there's gonna be a booking page, a thank you page, and then that's when the qualifying process will start with our CRM, with the AI, the artificial intelligence, okay? That will start to send them SMS and qualify them, and then that's when you can call them or have your ISA or ISA team call them themselves to qualify and book a listing appointment for you. So essentially, like I said, there's going to be 3 pages, okay, right here. So once they click on the ad, they will land on this page that we call the opt-in page. Okay, they give their first name, last name, phone number, email, and then they select, whatever they are, whatever they're looking to do with their real estate project. After they give you all the contact details right here on the opt-in page, then they're gonna land on the booking page. So it's a booking page right here to book an appointment basically with you. And then afterwards, they are going to land on that thank you page, all right? That says, thank you for filling out the form, whatever, successfully sent, okay? And then after that, the process of calling, following up with the leads starts. You only get charged after someone watches 30 seconds of your ad. So this is how the billing with YouTube ads work. And once they work extremely well, okay? But the thing is with YouTube ads, in the first place, you got to get them to work. Now, this is the hardest part, right? To crack the code. Like I always talk about, that's why we're going to use feedback loops. That's why we're going to get the feedback. If the first ad doesn't work, no worries at all. We're going to have some multiple ads in backup to be able to actually crack the code and have one performing ad. Because once you have a good ad, you can run with it for weeks, months. And I've even ran some ads for years now, and they are still generating leads, appointments, and clients. So as I said, we're going to basically create your YouTube channel right now. Okay. If you already have a channel, then you can use it. Okay. And no need to create a new one unless it's a non-real estate channel. So if you had like a cooking channel before on YouTube, then obviously you're going to need to create a new one, because otherwise the algorithm will be confused as to why you have content with cooking or, whatever, and then real estate. So you want to be real estate only with your channel. So if you don't have one, here's how to create one. You don't need to put any videos on it for now. So we're going to go on youtube.com. Once you are here, you're going to click on the top right icon right here with your profile or the letter right here of your first name. And then we're going to create a channel. Now, what you want to name your channel is your full name dash real estate agent. a bit like we did with the Google My Business. Okay, so you can also put your brokerage if you want, but the thing is, if you put your brokerage, you're gonna have to change it later if you ever change brokerage. So that's why I like to keep it evergreen and just put my full name, real estate agent. You also want to upload a picture by clicking here, and then you can put a picture of yourself. Then you click done, and then you click on create channel. So there you go. You have your YouTube channel created. Let's talk about how to create your Google Ads account, which you will use to run your YouTube ads. So again, if you already have an advertising account on Google, then you can use that. No need to create another one, except if you want to like separate things. For example, if you had like a previous construction business, for example, and you had like previous campaigns on construction, and now you want to have like specifically a Google Ads account for real estate, you can create a new one. Okay, so we're going to create one right now, and I'm going to show you how to do so. So you want to go to ads.google.com, okay, or you can just type in on Google, and then don't click on the first ads, but click on here. Okay, the first link right here, and you're gonna land here. So once you are here, you want to click on start now. Then if you are already signed in, you'll see your account right here at the top right. Okay, if you need to switch your account, just click on switch Google account and then select the right one. Now what you want to do, if you already have an account, it'll show up here, but here we're going to create a new Google Ads account. You know, let's say you don't have one, so we're going to create one from scratch together. So new Google Ads account. So they are going to want you to create a new campaign from the start. So we're going to have to go through that process and then delete that campaign and pause it so that you don't get charged for it. So essentially you just want to, click next and skip through that as much as possible. So your business name, Mikael Berube - real estate agent, click next. Your website, put in your website. So let's say realme.co. Okay, click next. Again, guys, this is just, we need to skip this. There's no other way basically to skip this. So we need to go through this whole process to create the account. So just click next. Oh, now we need to put a phone number. So just put in your phone number. Next. Select the minimum budget, because anyways, we'll remove it afterwards. Click next. Then you want to enter your payment information. Here you want to click on no, because otherwise they'll just send you promotional stuff all the time. It's kind of annoying by email. You might also get like a special offer. Basically here it says, I have a $600 credit when you spend $600, which is nice. Sometimes they do this, sometimes they don't. So then you want to put your credit card information and your billing detail, and you click on submit. Then you click on explore your campaign. Now you want to click on skip for now. So here, really important, okay? This is your campaign that we just created. We want to click here and click on pause campaign. Now they don't want you to pause it, so that's why they show here. They show this here. We want to click on pause campaign forever or until I resume. Pause. If you forget to actually pause this campaign, obviously you're going to get billed. So really important, refresh and pause it, okay? So now I'm going to show you how you can link your YouTube channel that you just created to your Google Ads account. So you want to click on settings right here, switch to expert mode right here. What you want to do is click on tools and settings, and then you want to go to audience manager. And then you go to your data sources right here to the left, and you're going to click on link to YouTube. So you want to click on add channel, and then here you can type in your name directly and your YouTube channel name. But the thing is, if your channel is brand new, then it might not show up right here. So what you want to do instead is go to your channel page. Okay, you click on here on YouTube, click on your channel, you copy and paste that URL right here. And then you say, I own this channel, go to YouTube. And then you can just say Google Ads. You select all of these three things and you click on link. Account link saved. You go here, and then it's going to say awaiting approval. You can just refresh the page. And then here you're going to see status linked. When it is linked, it's all good. Now I'm going to show you how you can give access to someone else to your Google Ads account. So one of your colleagues, your partner, or your marketing specialist, for example. So you want to click on tools and settings, and then you want to go to access and security. And then you want to click here on the plus sign, and you want to copy and paste their address right here. So let's say I want to give it to my other address, or let's say this is someone else. Let's imagine this. And then you want to click on admin. So that way they have access to everything. Or you could also say standard if you don't want them to edit users, managers, and product links. So just pick standard if they are a marketing specialist or one of your employees. If it's like your colleague that you really trust and your partner, you can pick admin, right? But with standard, they should be able to do everything they need to do. So then you click on send invitation. Okay. And then they'll be able to receive it. So then you'll see pending invitations and then the access level, everything, status, awaiting a response. And then if you did it by mistake, you can just click on revoke and then it will cancel the invite. So guys, I want you to take these actions right now. The first is to create your YouTube channel if you didn't already do it. The second one is to create your Google Ads account. And also don't forget to deactivate and pause the initial campaign they make you create by default. The third thing I want you to do is to link your YouTube channel to your Google accounts like I showed you. And then in the next module, you will learn how to record killer YouTube ads that actually convert, that actually generate seller leads and that are profitable, that convert, and that you can run for a long period of time. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the frameworks. I'm going to show you some concrete examples and all the structure and all the equipment you need, and everything you need basically is going to be simpler than you think, and it's going to be quicker than you think, and it's going to be really fun. Okay, so I'll see you in the next module.